Field has been randomized. Robots are ready. Our final qualification match will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. 3 robots again on the move. No preload bonus for the Blue Alliance, but they will get 12 points for those cargo in that shipping hub, as well as some parking points. But what's this? Merlins looking to get those final 10 points for that early delivered duck. Quack, quack, they succeed and park themselves in the storage unit.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Quickly, both robots of the Blue Alliance moving over to the warehouse, picking up some freight. Here come the Artemises with the first deposit into the shared hub, right near the center, a medium weight box to help tilt things in their favor. Now they put a normal box right next to it. Singularity technology finally coming alive, better late than never for this final match. Armored Artemises have already got 3 pieces of freight on the shared hub. Looks like NRG wants to compete with that. A minute 10 remains. It is currently a one-sided affair, 80-5 in favor of the Blue Alliance. NRG once again on their side, but they're kind of moving about. Can they correct themselves? Let's see what they can do. Can their hook push them back up onto their wheels? Up goes the Artemises basket. Can they get rid of that cargo? Yes, it's a heavy box. I don't think anyone could catch up to that now. Hey, NRG finally corrects themselves. Able to get back upright. There's that final whistle. Full Metal Merlins wasting no time delivering ducks. Singularity technology trying to do the same. Here comes NRG. They want one piece on that shared hub. They just want one scored piece to go with 6 seconds left. NRG, can you do it? Almost. 3, 2, 1. After the delivery of one duck, Singularity Technology will end qualification parked in the red storage unit. Both blue robots, once again, safely parked in their warehouse. But again, it looks like we will have some penalties to deliberate in this final qualification match. With this, our Alliance selection rankings will be finalized. But how will we go about Alliance selections with such a small crowd of competitors? Stay tuned. Teams, please note, 16,008 has been issued a yellow card for damaging the field. Fortunately, this was the last match of qualifications and thus will not carry over to Alliance selections. The results of our final match, the victory goes to blue, 184, almost,